Tesla needs help and is asking for help from its employees. Tesla is expecting a very high volume of vehicle deliveries during the end of the quarter, and it is asking all employees to help, even those outside of the sale and delivery organizations. You can just imagine what type of high volume Tesla is expecting to ask people who are outside of the sale. So over the last year, CEO Elon Musk has said that Tesla would try to move away from its model that results in large pushes for the deliveries at the end of each quarter, but it had a difficult time achieving that. Last quarter ended up being another nutty one, according to the CEO. While the end of quarter 3 was expected to be a more manageable delivery push, we have been starting to get indications that it could be another intense delivery push. I think the Tesla stock even jumped today, right? I just checked and came down again, but then earlier it jumped. So there were reports that Tesla moved back sales employees that it sent to service in order to address the end of the quarter push actually. Today, we can report that Tesla is expecting a high volume end of the quarter. Tesla management wrote in an email to employees obtained by Electrek. We will be delivering a very high volume of vehicles to eagerly waiting customers during the final days of quarter 3. To help ensure we can delight as many customers as possible, the delivery team is requesting additional support with key delivery execution tasks. That was the email. In the email, Tesla requests that all employees, even those who don't work in the sales at Tesla, and even those who don't work in the delivery department, in the sales department, help with the task to deliver vehicles to customers at the end of the quarter. These tasks can include moving vehicles around, washing and preparing vehicles, delivering vehicles directly to customers, and answering customer questions on delivery day. For these tasks, you don't need to have special delivery or sales experience, but you just have to do the task. In the past, Tesla had engineers, managers, and even executives come down to delivery centers to help with those tasks during end of the quarter delivery pushes. Because deliveries are very important numbers for Tesla. You have to make deliveries in order to count the profits. Virtually all analysts are predicting that Tesla is going to deliver a record number of vehicles during the third quarter. Most delivery estimates place Tesla's deliveries in quarter 3 between 350,000 and 370,000 electric car units. For this quarter, it would be a significant jump from its previous all-time delivery record. It was 310,000 units back in quarter 1 2022. While there are negative to these end of quarter delivery pushes, people shouldn't underestimate how much of a difference that can make, and that matters very much for Tesla and for Tesla investors. By the way, I'm not a Tesla investor and I don't own any Tesla stocks. During some of the pushes, Tesla has been able to deliver extra tens of thousands of vehicles. This is why this push is very important. There is no doubt that this quarter is going to be another delivery record, but the last few days of the month could make a difference between Tesla hitting the lower end of the higher end of those 350 to 370,000 electric vehicles that are estimated for this quarter. In turn, 10,000 to 20,000 fewer vehicles in inventory would make a giant difference in its earnings for the quarter. Hence the importance of the end of quarter delivery push. Do you support Tesla's end of quarter delivery push? Do you think it's a good strategy, or do you think Tesla should rather do the best it can during the entire quarter? Let me know, friends, your thoughts in the comment section below. I look forward to your comments and we'll continue the discussion there. Tesla Giga Shanghai wants to add another 33% to its 93% capacity. It doesn't appear that Tesla has any supply chain issue, right? A recent report has suggested that Tesla China intends to raise its vehicle output from Giga Shanghai by about 33% in the fourth quarter, not the third quarter, but the fourth quarter. This was despite the electric vehicle production facility at Giga Shanghai reportedly being kept at 93% capacity throughout the end of the year. So where is going to Tesla add another 33%? Tesla Giga Shanghai has undergone a series of upgrades and modernization to both its Model 3 and Model Y lines this quarter. With these improvements completed, the facility is reportedly capable of producing up to 22,000 vehicles per week, comprised of about 14,000 Model Y crossovers and 8,000 Model 3 sedans. So, we have a new report, and in a recent report, however, Reuters noted that Tesla would be keeping Gigafactory Shanghai at about 93% capacity for Q4 2022, and I have already reported on that. But the information was reportedly related by individuals familiar with the matter who spoke on anonymity because the information was not public. The publication sources did not cite the reason behind Tesla China's reported decision to keep Giga Shanghai at 93% capacity. That being said, the facility would reportedly be producing 13,000 Model Y crossovers and 7,500 Model 3 electric sedans weekly. In the fourth quarter, a total output of 20,500 vehicles per week. Such numbers represent a notable rise from the facility's production numbers in Q3 2022. In July 2022, reports from China suggested that Tesla produced a total of 38,719 vehicles, comprised of 11,261 Model 3 and 27,458 Model Y. In August, Giga Shanghai's production was estimated to have improved to 76,605 units, comprised of 56,721 Model Y and 19,884 Model 3. Expectations are high that Tesla China will be producing over 80,000 vehicles this September, and I've reported that, so subscribe to our channel. With this in mind, Tesla China is on track to produce about 200,000 vehicles in the third quarter at 20,500 vehicles per week. In the fourth quarter, Giga Shanghai would produce about 266,500 vehicles by the end of the year. Compared to Q3, Tesla China's fourth quarter figures could represent a 33% improvement. Tesla China is in a battle for the domestic electric vehicle market with upstarts and electric vehicle makers from local companies such as Xpeng Motors and NIO churning out legitimate competitors at aggressive price points. The prize is substantial for car makers wishing to become China's top electric car company, as the country is the world's largest automotive market. Also, China is the world's largest electric car market. This is why Tesla Giga Shanghai has been very successful, basically selling all cars that it has been producing, and there used to be like up to 8 or 9 weeks wait time. Now recently Tesla has done really well by cutting those wait time, and I think the last numbers I reported last week or several days ago, the wait delivery time at Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai has been reduced to somewhere around 4 weeks. Now, if you order a Model 3 or Model Y, you probably will have to wait about 4 weeks to get your car, which is great improvement for Giga Shanghai. This doesn't mean that there is less less demand for Tesla vehicles in China, but rather the modernization that Tesla did at its lines, Model Y and Model 3 lines at Gigafactory Shanghai, have greatly improved the capacity of Giga Shanghai, and hence we have the opportunity to report that, per that report, which I will have the link in the description of this video, that Tesla apparently wants to add another 33% to its already 93% capacity at Giga Shanghai. So what do you think, friends, about all these possibilities for Tesla? By the way, I'm not a Tesla stock owner. I'm not in stock market, not interested in stock market. The point of this channel is to report pure news about Tesla and electric vehicles and electric vehicle batteries. I'll look forward to your comments, and I'll see you soon in the next report. Tesla is doing it again after abandoning it for a while. What it is? While Elon Musk has mentioned in the past that Tesla would be avoiding its insane end-of-quarter delivery initiatives, Tesla is at it again and doing the same thing, but this time differently. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next report. The end of the third quarter is coming, and Tesla's electric vehicle factories are at full throttle. This includes the Fremont Factory, which is filled with vehicles that are ready to be delivered to Tesla customers. And a lot of customers are eagerly waiting for their Tesla to arrive. Flyovers of the Fremont Factory in recent days indicated that vehicle production is in full swing. aerial footage taken of the factory last week even showed that the facility's staging area for Model S and Model X were filled with vehicles. A flyover on Monday showed that the area was practically empty, suggesting that the Model S and Model X had been shipped from the factory, which is good news. You have lower inventory. Large number of Model 3 sedans and Model Y crossovers could be seen being shipped from the Fremont Factory's logistics lot. This could be seen in last week's and this week's flyovers. Needless to say, the Fremont Factory is in an end-of-quarter push in what appears to be another attempt to achieve record production and delivery numbers. While Elon Musk has mentioned in the past that Tesla would be avoiding its insane end-of-quarter delivery initiatives, the challenges of the recent quarters appear to have pushed the company to adopt its now trademark strategy again. This bodes well for the company's Q3 results, as the facility is one of Tesla's most productive electric vehicle plants, second only to Giga Factory Shanghai. Yes, indeed, these end-of-quarter pushes have become like a trademark for and the Tesla brand as a strategy, trademark as a strategy. While the Fremont Factory is no longer Tesla's largest plant by production volume, it is still one of the company's most important facilities. It is the only factory that produces all of the company's vehicles available today. From the Model S and Model X to Model 3 and Model Y, Tesla's other factories such as Giga Berlin and Texas only produce the Model Y for now. By the way, it's becoming one of the best vehicles to buy apparently, as I reported yesterday. Tesla delivered an impressive 254,695 vehicles in the second quarter, though this number was tempered down by extended COVID-related shutdowns in China. Tesla bulls and analysts both expect more deliveries for Q3, with estimates from the Tesla community suggesting a potential delivery estimate of about 366,000 vehicles for the third quarter. So things are moving really well apparently in the Fremont Factory, as we can see from the flyovers. By the way, I will have some links in the description of this video of those flyovers so you can see for yourself. So what do you think about this? How important is Fremont Factory for Tesla? It's the only factory where Tesla makes its all vehicles right now: Model S, Model X, Model 3, and what was the fourth one? I forgot. I'm sorry, it just slipped my mind. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, friends. I'll look forward to reading them and responding, and let me know what you think about all of these developments and the Q3 push.